You went to law school because you believed equal justice under law is more than mere words on a building. You work hard to make a difference in the lives of the people you represent. But what about those who cannot afford legal representation? There is a way for you and other attorneys in Shelby, Tipton, Lauderdale, and Fayette counties to help by your donations of time and money. Because, as you're about to see, when it comes to justice for all, we're all believers. We're all carrying the scales. And we're all in to support the work of Memphis Area Legal Services.
My husband, he just terrorized me. Verbal abuse and mental abuse, and at the end, he got physical.
But Sylvia Vaughn couldn't afford the help she needed. So she turned to Memphis Area Legal Services, or MALS.
I don't know what I would have done without them. I had nowhere to go. I had no help, no money, no funds, no job.
Sylvia was able to stay in her home, get an order of protection against her husband, and begin a new life. She's just one of thousands of people a year who depend on MALS for legal assistance in civil matters. Robin Owens is another client. MALS helped her regain custody of her 13-year-old daughter.
She needed me, and I was unable to pay an attorney. If I had not been able to go through Memphis Area Legal Services, I would have not been able to help her whatsoever.
MALS impacts the lives of 12,000 people like Robin and Sylvia each year. But the need is greater than ever because more than 200,000 people in MALS' 4-county service area are now living in poverty. And MALS is forced to turn away 66% of the people who need them. There simply isn't enough money, and things could get worse. Hard-hitting congressional budget cuts have already cost MALS more than $365,000 in just the last 2 years. If that trend continues, annual funding could be down by well over $500,000 by 2014. That will mean an additional 8,400 of our neighbors in the Memphis area will not receive help with their most critical legal needs unless you step forward.
We are a profession, not a business, and it's important that we give back to the profession.
And what better way to work for the betterment of the profession than to show that we recognize that under the Constitution there's nothing in there that says justice for all, footnote, if they have some money.
And these are the people that are probably the least educated, and they are the people that are most at risk, often single mothers, disabled people, and children are often affected as well.
If you can help a client through MALS, it really is one of the most rewarding experiences you can have in your career because it makes such a difference to that person.
You go to law school, you graduate, and you want to really help people. You want to help the community, and I think MALS gives you that platform to do so.
Please help Memphis Area Legal Services continue to provide assistance to the thousands of people in our community like Robin and Sylvia.
It's a wonderful thing that there are people out there in this world that do care about the people that do need services like this and the people that do donate.
Thank you to each and every one, whoever paid funds into it or helped, the attorneys and all. Just thank you, and please continue to help. We need it.
We're all in to support access to justice for all. Please join us. Please volunteer your time and give generously to Memphis Area Legal Services.